Hello, I am Naomi, and I am very happy to welcome you to another try-on haul today. I am presenting a pair of white Peep toe heels that immediately caught my attention. The first thing that stands out is the clean, glossy finish that makes them look modern, fresh, and very elegant. The open toe design adds a playful touch, and at the same time it feels perfect for showing a more delicate style. The stiletto heel together with the small platform gives them extra height while keeping the balance. Between bold and classic, this kind of heel always makes me feel confident because they are eye-catching yet sophisticated, and I love how they bring a bright touch to any outfit. To complement these heels, I chose sheer nude pantyhose, and I really like how natural they look on the legs. The fabric is delicate, smooth, and transparent enough to blend perfectly with the skin, while giving a polished effect that makes the legs appear more refined. It is a combination that feels subtle, but also very stylish, because the nude pantyhose do not compete with the white heels. Instead, they allow the shoes to remain the main focus, while still adding softness and elegance. I believe this pairing works for many different occasions, from casual moments to more dressed-up looks, and I am excited to share with you every detail and impression throughout this video. These white Peep toe heels reveal more and more details the longer I walk and move with them. The glossy finish is not just shiny, it almost mirrors the light around me and gives the shoes a lively presence that changes depending on where I stand. The open toe style feels playful, but also elegant because it frames the toes in a delicate way, while keeping the design light and airy. The stiletto heel lifts my posture and makes my legs appear longer and more refined. Little platform adds just enough support, so the balance is better than with regular stilettos. I like how they give me that boost of confidence that only a pair of bright, fresh heels can deliver. And even though the style looks very bold, it still keeps a clean sophistication that makes them versatile. They do not feel like shoes for one single moment. They feel like heels that can easily become a highlight in many outfits. The sensation while wearing them is something I pay attention to. The arch is noticeably raised, which encourages a graceful posture, but it also creates pressure on the front part of the foot after a while. The fit is snug, and I feel secure because the strap around the ankle holds everything in place, and that makes it easier to take confident steps. Still, the toe area is narrow, and after more time it can feel tight, so I see these more as heels for a few hours of fun and style. Rather than an all-day shoe, the advantage of the Peep toe is that the foot can breathe, and that makes a huge difference compared to completely closed stilettos. The blue ankle strap also deserves attention because it adds personality and gives a nice contrast against the white body of the shoes. It keeps the look from being too plain and makes the design stand out more in a stylish and playful way. With the sheer nude pantyhose, the effect becomes smoother and more delicate. The fabric is fine and silky. It glides over the skin in a way that feels elegant, but also very natural. The transparency makes the legs look even-toned and polished without hiding too much. The nude shade blends with the skin, so the look stays subtle and refined instead of dramatic. This makes them perfect for creating a balanced combination with the white heels, because both elements stay in harmony. Pantyhose also bring practical benefits like reducing friction inside the shoes and making the experience of wearing high heels more comfortable for longer periods. I like how something that looks so delicate can actually make a strong difference in comfort and appearance at the same time. When I see both elements together, the glossy bright heels and the soft sheer pantyhose, I realize how much they complete one another. The shoes provide height, shine, and presence, while the pantyhose creates smoothness, softness, and continuity along the legs. The combination is light, refined, and elegant. It feels appropriate for a wide variety of moments, from daytime outfits with skirts or dresses to more formal evening events. The contrast is not harsh, it is subtle yet stylish. And that is why I enjoy it so much. I can picture myself wearing this look for a dinner, for walking through the city at night, or even for a photo shoot, where the clean white and natural nude tones would look perfect under the lights. This mix reminds me that sometimes the simplest colors, when combined in the right way, can give the most memorable result.
Generate by AI.
After spending enough time with these white Peep toe heels and sheer nude pantyhose, I can give you my final thoughts. The heels are eye-catching and elegant at the same time. The glossy finish and the Peep toe design bring freshness and style, while the stiletto heel adds height and posture. What I really appreciate is how versatile they feel, because even with their bold look, they remain clean and classic. The only detail is that the front can feel narrow after a while, which is common with Peep toe styles, but the ankle strap helps secure the foot and gives confidence with every step. The sheer nude pantyhose, on the other hand, add a very smooth and natural effect that keeps the legs looking polished and refined together. They form a combination that feels light, graceful, and sophisticated, and I like how they manage to balance boldness with subtlety. This has been a very enjoyable try-on haul, and I am happy to share my impressions with you. If you liked this video, do not forget to give it a like, and leave me a comment with your thoughts about Peep toe heels, or about pairing them with pantyhose. I would love to know your opinions and ideas, and of course, make sure to subscribe so you can see many more upcoming videos, where I will continue exploring new heels, outfits, and styles. Your support really means a lot to me, and I am excited to keep sharing more fashion moments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in the next video.